Welcome this video. Video title is Crafting Delight the Art of Make Smart Wooden Project. Introducing wooden work is a timeless craft that allow individual to unleash their creativity and create functional aesthetic place emerge. While long project main same in creativity to beginning drive into the world of smart wooden project can be a reward and enjoyable a way to develop skill, build confidence and product unique image for personal use or as thoughtful gift. We will explore the job of make smart wooden project and provide insight into the progress. Choose your product. The beauty of wood project line in here to it. For choose and image frame to simple shape and decoration box of other are handily choose of product that alone with your skill line and interior beginning mid other of straightforward design that focus on fundamental woodwork technology while so with more development any expel design that incorporating advanced join plants and decor design before make the first cut take the time to plan and design your project step out your idea on paper detail demo and demo the final project. This plant plot not only help